out here today doing a window replacement. And so we just wanted to kind of walk you through the steps of what we're doing. Here at Shelton Construction, we don't offer just one manufacturer of windows. We offer several different ones, and what we try our very best to do is to match the window with the person's needs, whether it's budget, styling, or the flexibility of whether it's a double hung or a single hung. All of those things go into the decision making, as well as color. This one, we're changing the color of the window, and we're going to change the color of the outside. So not only are we replacing the windows for this client, but in this case, we're painting the house for them too. So we try to make sure we do the very best to try to keep things as clean as we can while this is going on. It's quite a process. This house is probably about 40 years old. So this morning we've already run into some ants. So there's a little bit of water damage that we were able to take care of. Shelton Construction, we're a full construction company, so we can handle just about anything that you come across when we're replacing windows. So it's not just about replacing the windows, it's everything that goes around that. And so excited today to just show you how our process works. Right now above me, they've been replacing windows for about the last 30 minutes to an hour, and we've already got 3 or 4 windows put in, and so it's moving along really nice. Made sure that when we came out, initially gave the estimate. We talked to the client about several options that they had. We do that initial consultation with them, and then before the windows are ordered, we come back out and re-verify all the sizes. And so all these windows have been measured twice, so everything goes in nice and neat, and hopefully no problems. And so I want to take you over here and just kind of show you the windows. So with these folks, man, this is going to be a dramatic change for them. So we went with an almond vinyl, and so we're going to do kind of a tan paint. And so it's going to complement this brick really well. It's going to bring those colors out. So some design went into this, make sure that the end product's going to be something that really makes a distinguishable difference in what your home looks like after we're done. So, but this window here, man, it's a great window. Argon filled, double paint. They had single pane aluminum. So very, very, very inefficient window. This window is going to make a huge difference in how their house feels and save them some money on their electric bill.